Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. This video is another video of the playlist Imam Mahdi alayhi salam. If you want to watch other videos about Imam Mahdi alayhi salam, you can go and check out the playlist Imam Mahdi alayhi salam. Today's video topic is Salam to the Imam Mahdi alayhi salam. Let's get started. Salam on the spring of Yaseen. Salam on you, the caller of Allah and His sign. Salam on you, the proof of Allah. Salam on you, the reciter of His book and its explainer. Salam on you in your night and in your day. Salam on you while you are standing. Salam on you while you are sitting. Salam on you while you are reading and explaining. Salam on you while you are praying namaz and dua. Salam on you while you are doing ruku and sajda. Salam on you while you are saying La ilaha illallah and Allahu Akbar. Salam on you while you are praising Allah and seeking forgiveness. Salam on you when you enter the morning and evening. Salam on you in the night when it gathers and the day when it is seen. Salam on you, the Imam, the protected one. Salam on you by the set of salams. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.